Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Visa gift card on Temu. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and log into your account. So if you have an account, log into your account. So now once done, so if you want to pay with your Visa gift card, so let me add something to my card so that I can show you the payment. So okay, I've got this item added to my card, so you can add anything to your card. So whatever you wish to purchase, just add something to your card, and then what you're going to do, hit on the checkout option so that you can get to the checkout. So continue to checkout. So we'll get to this payment page here, so you can put in your shipping address and all those informations. That's fine. So now when we get to this payment method here, so this is what we're interested with. So the payment method, so when you get here, so if you want to use your Visa gift card, so simply select this card option here, because that the card option covers Visa as well. So just click on it, and all you have to do now is simply plug in the details of your Visa gift card, because it's also a prepaid, it's a debit card. So just type in the details of your Visa gift card and hit on submit order, and that's it, complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.